Different hairstyles. She has short hair. Remember, no short hair. She has short hair. You can say a hair if you find a hair in your soup. One hair. But she has short hair. She has long hair. And she has shoulder-length hair. Pronunciation. Sh. O. Show. O. Shold. D. Shold. Shoulder. Shoulder. Length. O. E. Le. Lang. Length. Shoulder length. She has shoulder length hair. Repeat. Very good. Do you have short hair or long hair?
I have short hair.
Do you have short hair or long hair? Or shoulder length hair? Respond. Very good. Does she have shoulder length hair or short hair? Respond. Very good. Different hair. Straight. Stir. A. Stray. Straight. She has straight hair. Repeat. Very good. Wavy. A. Wave. Wave. E. Wavy. Straight. Wavy. She has wavy hair. Repeat. Very good. She has curly hair. Cur. O. Curl. E. Curly. She has curly hair. Repeat. Very good. She has curly hair, but if it's really curly, you can say kinky. Key. King. Kink. Kinky. She has kinky hair. Repeat. She has short, straight, blonde hair. Blah. Blonde. Blonde. She has short, straight, blonde hair. So the order of the descriptions or adjectives is important. First, we have size, short. Then we have shape, straight. And then we have color, in that order. She has short, straight, blonde hair. Repeat. Very good. What kind of hair does she have?
She has long, wavy brown hair.
Very good. What kind of hair does she have? Respond. Very good. Let's practice. What kind of hair does she have?
She has long, wavy brown hair.
What kind of hair does she have? Respond. Very good. What kind of hair do you have?
I have short, straight, brown hair.
What kind of hair does she have? Respond. Very good. What kind of hair do you have? Respond. Very good. Remember, for hair, we use the action wear. I wear my shirt. And hair is part of your body. For part of your body, we use possessive. I wear my hair. You wear your hair. She wears her hair. She wears her hair in a ponytail. Ponytail. O, po, pone, e, pony. T, ponyt. A, ponytail. Ponytail. She wears her hair in a ponytail. Repeat. Very good. She wears her hair up? No, she wears her hair down. She wears her hair down. Repeat. Very good. And she wears her hair up. Or she wears her hair in a bun. Bun. She wears her hair in a bun. Repeat. Very good. Bangs. Bay. Bangs. 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 Remember, when you have A-N-G combination, always pronounce with your long A. Bangs. Bangs. She has bangs. I don't have bangs. Do you have bangs? Respond. Very good. Does she have bangs? Respond. Very good. Pigtails. Pig. Pig. Tails. Tail. Tails. Pigtails. She has pigtails. Repeat. Very good. Bob. She has a bob. Bob. She has a bob. Repeat. Very good. Braided. Burr. A. Braid. Braid. Braided. Braided. Description. Her hair is braided. Repeat. Very good. Let's practice. What kind of hair does she have?
She has short, wavy hair.
Very good. What kind of hair does she have? Respond. Very good. What kind of hair does she have?
She has a bob.
Very good. What kind of hair does she have? Respond. Very good. What kind of hair does she have?
She wears her hair in a bun.
Very good. Does she wear her hair in a bun? Respond. Very good. What kind of hair does she have?
She has skinky black hair.
Very good. What kind of hair does she have? Respond. Very good. Let's practice. Does she have long, wavy red hair?
Yes, she has long, wavy red hair.
Does she have long, wavy red hair? Respond. Very good. Does she have bangs?
Yes, she has bangs.
Does she have bangs? Respond. Very good. Does she have braided hair?
Yes, she has braided hair.
Does she have braided hair? Respond. Very good. What kind of hair does she have?
She has short, straight, blonde hair.
Very good. Does she have short, straight, blonde hair? Respond. Very good. Get a haircut. Haircut. Hair. Cut. Hair. Cut. Get is the action. She is getting a haircut. Get, continuous, getting. She is getting a haircut. Repeat. Very good. Let's practice. I like your hair. Did you get a haircut?
Thank you. I did get a haircut.
Where did you get a haircut?
I got a haircut at the salon.
When did you get a haircut?
I got a haircut last week.
Very good. When did you get a haircut? Respond. Very good. When you change the color of your hair, you dye your hair. Dye. I don't dye my hair. Not yet. She dyes her hair. Remember, possessive. I don't dye my hair. She dyes her hair. Do you dye your hair? Respond. Very good. And you can say color. I don't color my hair. She colors her hair. Do you color your hair? When you have gray hair, are you going to dye your hair?
Yes, I'm gonna dye my hair when my hair goes gray.
Are you going to dye your hair? Respond. Very good. Highlights. Highlights. I, hi. O, heil. I, highlight. T, highlight. S, highlights. So, highlights, action, get. Get highlights in your hair, or get highlights. Or do highlights. She is getting highlights. Repeat. Very good. Let's practice. Do you have highlights?
No, I don't have highlights.
Do you have highlights? Respond. Very good. Are you going to get highlights in your hair?
No, I'm not gonna get highlights in my hair.
Are you going to get highlights in your hair? Respond. Very good.